We out there, motherfucker, man. You know what I'm saying? Getting ready to set up. Y'all don't see me yet. But here I go. We got this motherfucker, man. On my pond, on my family land, you know what I'm saying? Doing what we do, having fun. Yeah, man. Having fun. That shit get on my nerves. You better. You got the roof? Alright. Yeah, man, you gotta blow this motherfucker up to the exact specifications. If not, you out of there. You know what I'm talking about? We'll get back with y'all. Told y'all, man, y'all here fucking with JB. Ah, yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Hit that hoe.
It's pretty.
Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, give me sugar. You know what I'm saying? That make 3 for me today.
Talk bassy to
You know
him.
what I'm saying?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, man, y'all see it.
Nice little fillet.
Little something nice, little. You know what I'm saying?
Heck yeah.
Yes, sir.
Get the line.
Motherfuckers.
Oh, yeah. On that tomato, motherfucker. Gotta move around. Tune in. No.
Don't need to drop this one.
Oh, no.
Get out here, y'all. Motherfuckers out. Right in that area. You gotta know what you're doing. Right for dangle the motherfucker.
Hey, you said right through the gills. Oh, that bitch turned up. Oh, it's on. Still on.
Do it like that. Trying to get it. I don't want to drop it.
Yeah.
But,
there you go. He
all
ain't,
a while.
He ain't going nowhere. Add him to the collection. Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
You low down dirty. You shouldn't have.
Yeah.
We out here. Oh yeah, they gonna start kicking now. That's all good. Oh yeah, y'all wanna know how to do it. See that knot right there? Oh.
You ain't gonna do it like that. You know what I'm saying? Do it like that.
Oh.
It ain't going nowhere.
Ain't going nowhere.
Yes, sir. Y'all niggas. Like Coach Prince. Listen to me now, baby. If y'all want to learn how to fish, go holler at JB. He know what he doing. Y'all see it. Prime, baby. Coach Prime. Peace. Truth. Another one bites the dust. You know what I'm talking about? That made number Fizzle on you. Hizzle. Yes, sir. Doing what I do, man. Enjoying it.
Bullshit.
Come off the road. I like to go fishing. It's my pastime, my piece. Y'all see it. Number 4. Yes, sir. Hey guys, it's me again. Another one, man. Coach Prime, baby. What's up, man? You gonna challenge JB to a fish out, baby? You can fish at your pond or mine. It don't matter, baby. What you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
I ain't got no big fishing boat. I'm on a raft because I'm country like that, baby. Country Prime and Country Brass. We on your ass. Yes, sir. Truth. I believe. You believe.